In this video, we will play with the fibers. In this case, we will track the channels in the wood. Uh, we have used one of this data set in one of the previous help videos, and there we had created these. Uh, we had painted these three channels. So what we will do now is use fibers to show these channels and show some of these smaller ones, and we will show we will reflect the thickness, or we will reflect the radius of this channel, or the width of the channel, by the thickness of the fibers. So let us start tracking the channel. So let's go to fibers, and let's go to fiber, the first fiber. So let's track this one here, and here you can see what we are tracking. So this is the one here, and then we can also go back and add the points now. So now what will happen is, when we add a point here, we will get a point here. So the points are added naturally um, along the fiber. You can't create branched fibers, so it's just a single strand. So here we have a fiber, and then we can give the thickness of the fiber, say let's say 10, and then press W. So hover over the fiber or the channel that we created, and then press W. So this is the thickness. Let's increase it to say 20. Okay, so that's one of my channels. Let's track this one. Let's have another tag, and we can have a default 20 width, new fiber. So you can see the color of this fiber has changed. So this is no longer selected. uh, we would like to move the fiber slightly towards inside, so let's select that. So hover over the fiber and then press spacebar to select it. So this is, we have selected it. Deselect. This is selected fiber, this is deselected fiber. So let's select it and then add a point somewhere in between. So add a point is just nothing but left click. So left click, so a point will be added naturally between the two segments of that fiber. Even here we would like to move it a bit inside, slightly inside here. Let's move that a bit. I don't want that. Yeah, here it is. And we can view it from let's remove that. So right click is to remove the point. We would also like to remove this point here. So we have removed that point. So we have created one channel. Let's create another one. Let's create a smaller one. So let's track this one here. Let's reduce the width to say 5. So this is our new fiber. So this one here. And then here. So this is our new fiber. So end fiber. Let's add one more new fiber. So this one here. End fiber. So this is another one. So let's track this one here. Let's set the width to say 30. Change the tag and then new fiber. So this is the new fiber here. Probably 50 is too 30 is too big. Let's make it 25 and then press W. Hover over this and press W. We would like to have it here. Okay. So there is the point here that we would like to remove. That's the one. So end fiber. So let's track another fiber. It's 5 new fiber. So let's say this one here. Sorry, a channel. And then we can also go back. So I'm using mouse wheel to just scroll through the end fiber. So this is another fiber. So in this way we can track big channels and small channels, and using the width parameter here we can show the relative radius of or relative radii of these different channels.